Hello students, welcome to your own channel Physics Plus Plus. Today I am going to explain you electric flux, Gauss law and numerical on electric flux. So today we will cover three topics: electric flux, Gauss law and numerical on electric flux. So be with me. Electric flux is basically a scalar product of E and S, electric field and area vector. When we do a scalar product, then we will get a electric flux. So electric flux is a scalar product of electric field and area vector. So E is here a electric field and S is here a area vector. Now if we expand E dot S, we will get modulus E modulus S cos theta. So after explaining, like after expanding this thing, we get this cos theta. So if we have angle, we will use this formula. If we do not have angle, we can apply this formula. Now we have some another formula also, that is integration E ds. Integration E ds is also used to obtain flux. So we have three formulas: E dot S, modulus E modulus S cos theta, and with that we have integration E ds. So now I am going to explain three numericals depend on these three formulas. Just come with me. Now we have three kind of numerical on board. First numerical is based on E dot S. Second numerical is based on modulus E modulus S cos theta. And third numerical is based on integration formula. Now first, if we go to the first type of formula, E is defined as 2i cap, 3j cap and 5k cap. Here area vector is defined as 3i cap, 3j cap and 3k cap. Directly we will just multiply them because they are in the form of I, j and k. So we will multiply 2 with the 3, 3 with the 3 and 5 with the 3. And we will get 30 Newton meter square upon Coulomb. So directly we will apply coefficient of I with the coefficient of I, coefficient of j with the coefficient of j and k coefficient with the k coefficient. So this is the first method to obtain electric flux by directly multiply if electric field and area vector is given in the form of I, j and k. This was the first type. The second type is based on the angle. If angle is given, suppose it is given 60 degree and modulus E modulus S is given in the form of numerical digits like 2 and 2. So we would directly multiply it modulus E modulus S and cos theta, and we will obtain the flux, that is 2 Newton meter square upon Coulomb. So E and S is in the form of modulus. It will have a numerical form, not I, J, K cap form. Now, if electric field is given in the form of function, what is function? Suppose E is defined as S square S plus 1. So we will do integration of that function. Now integration of S to the power 2 is S3 upon 3, and integration of S is S to the power 2 upon 2, and integration of 1 is S. So basically if we do the integration of S to the power 2, we will get S3 upon 3, and integration of S will be S to the power 2 or upon 2. So these are the three types of numericals based on dot product, cos theta and integration formula. Now I will explain you Gauss law. Now according to Gauss formula, Gauss has given a unique formula that is equal to the sigma q upon epsilon naught. According to Gauss, if there is an enclosed surface and there are so many charges like q1, q2, q3 and q4, we will first of all sum all the charges, that is sigma q, and divide with the epsilon naught. What is epsilon naught? Electric permittivity of vacuum. So flux is equal to the electric permittivity of vacuum and the ratio of sigma q. So sigma q upon epsilon naught is equal to the electric flux. So there are four formulas of electric flux: E dot S, modulus E modulus S cos theta, integration E ds, and now we get this formula with the help of Gauss. And I have done numerical for you also in this video. Hopefully you like this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.